like a bait. I used millibomb and then what you call that other stuff? Let me get that. Oozing floats, Raptor, and then Spyker Groen bull dips. So hopefully this thing goes flipping in the dam. So, kom ons hoop so. Okay. Yes. Nice. It's shallow, but I'm using a 8-foot rod, but everything comes in time. So, everything is ready. So let's see what it makes.